Back to the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing on a day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on Chainlink. Could Bitcoin go to 55k in the next move to the upside? Well, let's take a look at the charts. Yeah, you heard right, 55k per Bitcoin in the next move to the upside, possibly. Why do I think that? Well, as you know, I usually follow the market maker structure, which usually starts with something like a double bottom formation, first leg up, first retrace, second leg up, second retrace, and then third and final leg up, which usually ends in a double top formation of some kind. We create that and bam, we reverse in 3 steps and create the W bottom again, and we start over. So as you know, in my last day trading update, I told you that we could create a double top confirmation if we break down from the 47k zone or 50k zone towards the 38k zone. Break that, that's when you have your double top confirmation, and we'll move down to the volume candles below in 3 steps. But since we clearly have broken out of it and held above it, I do think we will see some interesting stuff to the upside instead, because it's quite clear that we are not seeing a double top confirmation yet. So we're still favoring moves to the upside. And the next target to the upside is this volume candle, which has been unrecovered. If you use the PVSRA tool, you mark off all of the colored candles in your chart and then see if we went to the price or not. So to make it easier for you, we have one here, 53.7k, and I do think we'll probably break down below to possibly 50k, tap that zone, and then move out of there up to 55k, possibly within 2 weeks. So that's something I'm looking at, because we've kind of been stalling. Volume has been kept low for the last couple of days, so a spike to the downside after some news events this week, and then we will end this week or possibly beginning of next week, move towards 55k. And the news I'm speaking to you about is the flash services PMI in the Eurozone, and we also had unemployment claims in the US and flash manufacturing PMI on Thursday. And on Wednesday is even a bigger day, because then we have the FOMC minutes of meetings, which could indicate when the interest rates will get lower in this report, and that's quite huge news if they reveal that. If not, well, then it's a nothing burger. So be very careful during Wednesday when the news is released. Look at Liquidation Map. As you can see, we have a lot of short liquidations at 53k, $603 million at 52,966. A lot of money for the market maker to grab, and I showed you we have a volume candle there as well. So yeah, make of this what you want. The data shows you that's clearly more shorts to get liquidated than longs. So make of this what you want. None of this was financial advice. Now let's take a look at Chainlink. So Chainlink holding steadily around that $20 zone. I foresee the same thing as I see for Bitcoin. A little spike to the upside, move down to recover, possibly this volume candle down to $15-16, and then spike to recover the remaining of the volume candle, which we haven't recovered yet, all the way up to $25-26, which is kind of interesting, because we have moved quite aggressively to the upside for Chainlink. So to at least grab this volume candle down to $15.5 and then spike to the upside again, it would be great to retain this bull run. Otherwise, as you can see, we don't have a clear double top formation yet, so we're still favoring moves to the upside. As I told you about Bitcoin, if you don't see any clear structures, then we're still favoring moves in the same direction. And the next volume candle to the upside is then at $25, $26 approximately. We already started to recover it, so we still have some left, some open orders left for the market maker to fill. Make of this what you want. None of this was financial advice. Have a good one. Big Boss out.